Hello everyone, today, we're going to show you how to set up automatic login on Windows 11. First, we'll open the Start menu, type Run, and click on this program. Here, we'll type the command netpls and click OK. At this point, we'll see that the automatic login option is not available. We'll need to modify the registry. To do this, we'll open the Start menu again, type Run, and click on this program. Here, we'll type the command regedit and click OK. Click Yes. In the registry, we need to follow this exact path: HKUI_local_machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, CurrentVersion, PasswordLess, device. We'll double-click on this parameter to modify its value, then, enter the value 0 and click OK. Once that's done, we'll open the Start menu, type Run and click on this program. Here, we'll type the command netpls and click OK. This time, the option users must enter a username and password to use this computer will be available. Uncheck it, select the user you want to log in automatically, and click OK. In this window, enter the password for that user and click OK. I restart the computer. The computer starts up. The login is automatic. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe for more tips.